Hello, and I'm Connie Elon, and I'm working on case number one, creating methodology. And I tried this once before and couldn't get the volume, so hopefully tonight I'll be able to get volume on here so that I can finish this assignment. I did it once before, but I only had the writing on there, so I've recreated it a little bit, and hopefully it's better each time I do it, but hopefully this will be the last time for this particular case. So anyway, tonight we're talking about a case about John Compton, who is president of the company. He has instructed his project team to create a project within 6 months. His team knew what had to be done, but were reluctant to the change of the structure. The RFP, or requested for proposal, process consists of a document to solicit the proposal made by the bidding of a service asset to suppliers to submit business proposals. This company required the use of EPM, or Enterprise Project Management, which is a way of thinking, communicating, working, and using information that organizes resources according to the company's goals, visions, and missions. And the use of Project Management Office, PMO, which consists of a group or department within the company which defines and maintains the standard for project management. In the past, the company has only used minimum templates based on the PMBOK guide. Question number one, and this is rephrased slightly from the original, was to determine about corporate culture waiting to develop the EPM system. In this one, we find that the team feared losing the authority and power that they normally would have. This culture was uncertain and reluctant to change. They also had executives which would gain more power and control the project, and the recognition of needed change and restructuring, reorganizing their company to accommodate the EPM system, or Enterprise Project Management System. Number two, how does the implementation process change as PMO increases? The Enterprise Project Management definitely is lessened with the use of the PMO, or Project Management Office, which uses a few experienced leaders, managers to implement the project. PMO also provides guidelines and structures of the project. It facilitates, allocates, and manages its resources throughout the project. The PMO provides proper training, standards, templates, and guidelines used to manage the project. Should PMO report to the Chief Information Officer, CIO, or others? I feel yes, the PMO should report to the CIO because the PMO consists of a few experienced individuals from various or different areas of the company. PMO can lead in methodology used in enterprise projects. When roadblocks can be managed and controlled better, they can be used for decisions for projects which are reported to the CIO, and the CIO should supervise the PMO until the project is 100% complete. Number four, the advantages of having 6 or less life cycle phases in the EPM system. 6 or less life cycles are easy to manage completely. Less life cycles reduce the number of gate meetings required. Less life cycles also reduce the amount of time needed to prepare documents, reports, and collecting other information for the meetings. Less life cycles also allows project managers to focus on managing projects rather than doing paperwork. Flexible or inflexible elements. And the second part of the question would be, is it formality or informality preferred in initially developing an EPM system? Project managers need the ability to handle clients using informal methods, which allows less time doing paperwork and more time with the clients. These methods allow the company to be focused on business needs and the flexibility of client needs. Flexibility of the EPM system design is based on templates, checklists, recommendations, and suggestions from the team. Stakeholders is the best. Number 6, the EPM system should have the capability to capture best practices and procedure methods because project management is key to success. RFPs are captured and shared before closing a project. Checklists and forms are the best for PMOs to complete projects and finalize project meetings. With this system, project managers can make projects and business decisions when needed. The EPM can be placed in libraries and be used to provide knowledge for project management and business practices. And finally, for tonight's case, I have listed the resource that I used to complete this assignment. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to sharing others in the future. Thank you for your time.